Right here at the Rock Springs Conservation Area, we're very excited to have the pileated woodpecker that's building a nest just north of our window on wildlife. It's within view, you can see it easily with binoculars, you can see it with the naked eye actually, and we're just hoping that the pileated will find a mate. It's a male woodpecker that we've been observing the last several days, working on a tree not far from the Nature Center, and we're hoping that he finds a mate and is able to go ahead and have a family, and we'll get to watch this remainder of the show throughout the spring of 2012 with regard to the woodpecker and its family that it will raise. When you come out, you may or may not see the pileated woodpecker. It's kind of random as to when he's been showing up, but he has been here periodically. But you have a comfortable area to view from at the window on wildlife. There's a bench there, you can hear what's going on outside and easily see this woodpecker within range when it does show up. And we've been pretty lucky over the past few days with watching it come and go. The pileated woodpecker, as I mentioned, is the largest woodpecker that's still living. It's about 16 to 20 inches tall, as big as a crow, which gives you an idea of how large it is. The hole that the pileated woodpecker has built has been of interest to some other birds too. We've observed the white-breasted nuthatch that's been visiting, the red-bellied woodpecker. There's also been a tufted titmouse and a Carolina wren. They come in, they visit, they go in, they come out. They're probably thinking it's quite a beautiful, spacious place to live. But I'm sure the pileated will chase them off when the time comes.